So the heart sends out an electromagnetic pulse every time it beats that reaches to the edge of the universe, and this is how we are all connected. So I just asked the Yahyel extraterrestrials what to talk about. So the Yahyel are a hybrid human grey, zeta grey extraterrestrial hybrid species, part of the hybridization program from the future, and the reason for all the abductions. So so they're all positive, they're all love light. And so that's the topic of today's discussion. The heart sends out an electromagnetic pulse every time it beats that reaches to the edge of the universe, and this is how we are all connected. One of the ways we are all connected, or telepathic, and one of the ways we all interact. So our heart actually has its own consciousness, its own intelligence, its own brain in a sense, and it seems it's more intelligent than the physical brain. It's certainly more wise than the physical brain. And so one of the transitions of moving into a fourth density reality and being in contact with these higher dimensional beings is learn to communicate heart to heart. Like, it seems telepathic communication is a heart to heart communication, and as we send out these electromagnetic pulses, and we receive the electromagnetic pulses and they're all interfering in the middle, we're communicating telepathically, emoting, kind of like, rather than using like words, it's kind of like we're speaking in emojis, because it's an emotional language, and as we receive the emotional download, that transforms into language. And this is the essence of telepathy, I believe. So today's homework, guys, if you're one of the guys dropping deep into this 30 days of contact 2025, peace. Yeah, practice accessing the heart's consciousness and your telepathic awareness. And can you see the moon, guys? The moon is very much connected to, it's up there somewhere, very much connected to, there it is, very much connected to telepathy and empathy. And it's full moon 999 today. So today is a super day. Today is September the 9th, 2025, which reduces to a 9 number. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 equals 9. So numerologically, this is a 999 day. 9 is the number of infinity. The speed of light reduces into infinity, and the ETs talk about today as, or the 999 number, the 9 number, as the number of infinity. So expect ET contact to accelerate from here on. Peace, love, light, and Shivai. I shall see you all in another now. Check out my website, jonathantrinity.com, for channelings, my harmonic ascension pathway, and for other cool stuff coming soon. I'm there already. Peace. Hello Yahyel. I think we might get a video sometime this season. Bye. Of the ETs.